you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today we have the beauty edit box from FabFitFun for June. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So my beauty edit box from FabFitFun has arrived. This is the one that I actually pay for. So on this one, there's 4 full-size items and you get to choose every single one. That's the great thing about FabFitFun. You are curating the box to how you like it. If you would like to check them out, I will have them listed in the description box for you to pop on over and check them out. But the way that I do my FabFitFun boxes, seasonal or monthly, is I like to show you every single item that you get to choose from so you can kind of see how you would customize the box yourself if you were interested in grabbing one. So let's go ahead and start off with category number 1. A daily SPF 50 for your face and body. This is valued at $35. Bare Minerals 24-hour natural matte setting spray, valued for $36. Apple Butter Cleansing Balm by Origins. This is valued at $39. Or there is a Bronzer Duo Matte and Shimmer Shades that is valued at $42. So that one, I think I got the cleansing balm. I believe. Let me see. So here's a sneak peek to inside of my box. And yes, that is the one that I chose, which is the Origins Apple Butter Cleansing Balm. And again, this is valued, a retail value of $39. I'm actually really excited about that. Oh, there's no seal or anything, so it's already opened. I was hoping it was gonna smell like apple. No, I'm not really smelling anything. Kind of very faint of something or other, but I was kind of hoping it was gonna smell like apple because it said it was an apple butter cleansing balm. So that is what I chose for category number 1. All of the different items you can choose for category number 2 will be Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Bronzer. This is in color Kiss of Rose, valued for $28. Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Highlighting Blush. This is in Pink Glow, also valued for $28. Vacation SPF 30. This is a sunscreen oil valued at $22. Vacation SPF 30 spray oil valued for $25, or First Aid Beauty body scrub in coconut, that's valued at $30. So for those options, since I don't do much with makeup, bronzers, blushes, anything like that, I went ahead and chose the spray SPF. I'm always outside, especially in the garden, stuff like that. So the easiest thing for me to protect my skin is the best. And this being a spray is the easiest thing I can do. I can just spray this bad boy on and I'm good to go. So I'm excited about this. Again, it's the 30 Sunscreen Spray Oil by Vacation. And this one again has a value of $25. So that's what I chose for category number 2. So all of the different options you can choose for category number 3 will be Vacation After Sun Body Mist, valued for $24. There's a hydrating tinted lip oil. You can choose between 2 different colors, Jolie or Esprit, both valued for $25. Or First Aid Beauty Hydrating Pillow Pads. It's a 60 count, valued for $39. Now for that one, I'm gonna be honest, I honestly thought it was something completely different, because after I chose, me and my friend Rena from Boxes and Deals, we always like figure out if we picked anything the same. And so she said that she was torn between the body spray and something else. And I was like, what body spray? I didn't have a body spray. And she sent me a photo of this and I was like, oh, the After Sun Mist. She's like, that's the scent. I was like, oh, shoot. I thought it was an after sun mist. So again, like if I'm outside in the sun and I'm all burnt and red or whatever, I can come inside and spray something that would be soothing. That's what I thought this was. Nope. I guess she pays attention and reads, and I just went off of what I saw, the after sun body mist. That's the scent. That is the scent. It says spritz it on over sunscreen for a boost of fragrance. Featured notes of aloe vera gel, green tea, and something or other and more. So let's go ahead and get it opened and let's see what it smells like. I love the packaging though. I like the colors, of course. I love that teal. So let's see. And yeah, it just says after sun by vacation perfume mist 90 ml. $24. I totally thought this was something completely different. Ooh, it already is ready to go. Oh my gosh, that smells like aloe vera. Like you know, I do have the aloe vera gel to put on if I do get burnt. That's what this smells like. It just smells like that aloe vera gel. This would be nice to spray on if you are using some kind of sunscreen or something, just so it does kind of smell nice, and I can use it with this, and they're both the same brand too, Vacation. So that is what I chose. So that's even, I guess it's even better because it's a hair and body mist, not just like a face mist to use after sun like I thought. But either way, this is what I chose for number 3. So all of the different options you can choose for category number 4 will be Origin's Drink Up Intensive Overnight Hydrating Mask with Avocado, valued for $20. Origin's Light Rose Moisturizing Hand Cream, valued for $20. Or SOS PMS Gummies. These are valued at $20 for a 60 count. And for that one, what in the world? This is really the full size? It's, what in the world? It's a 2.5 ounce and this is 1 fluid ounce. I'm confused. Is this the full size? Because I mean, Origins, like, is this the full size, you guys? It's gotta, I mean, I guess it's gotta be, but it says that it is a 1 fluid ounce. And on FabFitFun's, when I screenshotted the information, it says the size is a 2.5 ounce. So I'm not quite, this is the smallest full-size product I have ever seen. $20? You guys, please tell me, is this a full-size product? Is this a full-size product? Oh my goodness. Well, this is what I chose. And I don't know, let me see how to use. Twice a week or as needed. Apply a thin layer to clean skin at bedtime as a moisturizing hand mask. Massage a thin layer into your hands and allow to dry. So it doesn't sound like you're gonna have to wash this one off, especially if you can use it for your hands as well. And does that say rinse off? Let me get my glasses. Hold on. It says twice a week or as desired, gently massage onto clean skin. Tissue off, not rinse off. It says tissue off. So I guess if there's still something there, you use a tissue and wipe it off. I'm not quite sure. I'm just now more confused at this 1 ounce when it says 2.5 ounce, and the difference between these two is insane. So that's what I chose for the 4th and final category. And this little guy right here. Oh my, this is the smallest product that I've ever seen marked as a full size. Whew, let me tell you. So that is the last and final option that I chose. So a quick recap. I got this little tiny Origins product, this Origins product, and then I have 2 Vacation products. Okay, you guys. So again, that is everything from this box. Again, there's always 4 full-size products, and you are in control of those 4 that are put into your box, which I absolutely love. And for this one, I will have them all linked down below if you'd like to pop on over and check them out. This box is only $29.99. plus tax, but there's no shipping. It's free US shipping to the US. Free shipping to the US. So $29.99 per month, and you again get to choose all 4 products, and they're always full size items. So that is why I always love my FabFitFun. You get to choose everything. You are in control of everything. So you get to decide if you would like to get a monthly box or a seasonal box. But again, they will all be listed down below in the description box for you to pop on over and check them out if you are interested. If you would like to see other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so now that is everything to say and show for this particular video. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.